invincible. Good morning and welcome to MIGHTYOX Trading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Just move my mic out to be somewhere. It's kind of in my way, but I'll figure it out. My pan's still hot, so I don't want to. Okay, it should be fine. Give me a minute. Then we'll look at the markets overnight. Alrighty. How you doing today, Hassan? Yeah, I totally lost what I'm doing. There we go. All right. Yeah, congrats for your Knicks. AES high 75.68. Low 75.24. 44 points in range. NQ high 3,500 exactly to the tick. It's low 0.96. That's 404 points in range. Kappa. 160 ticks. Ultravon over a point, which is very unusual. About a point and a quarter. Oh yeah, I can imagine, Hassan. That has got to be absolute chaos in New York City. About 90 points in range on gold to the downside. Crude dipped all the way down to 73, back up to about 74 half. And Bitcoin still languishing just below 64. So that's literally sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing today. Yeah, big bounce off the crash of yesterday afternoon. I remember tomorrow's a holiday, so the market closes at noon. The regular stock market is closed, and options expiration is actually today instead of tomorrow like normal. And we do a jobless claims today. How's your trading been going, Hassan? You haven't really talked about it much lately. Sorry to hear that. Ouch, Hassan. I'm very, very sorry, man. So, do you have any accounts right now, or? ATR is 11 right now in NQ, but it doesn't feel like it. Looking for some entries here. There's a pop. You'll get back right again, Hassan. I know you will. Just watched him. Hassan looks like. I mean, at least people seem to be, not out of control, but I wouldn't want to be there. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be first responders there for sure. Nice pop here. We are heading toward our news of the day, which is jobless claims and Philly Fed Business Index. Canadian PPI too, but no one cares about the Canadians. It's gonna grind in here. Hey, sire. Sorry, I was quiet. I was reading something real quick. I apologize. I can be quiet at times. It happens. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Missed you the last couple days. Oh, tired. Don't know why I'm tired, but I'm tired. Hey, Ron, good to see you. Yeah, we were on all day yesterday, Crypt. No, yesterday for FOMC. Nice rise up to 450. It's almost like yesterday's crash never happened. Hey, Ivan, how you doing? That's an interesting move down there, though.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Still rising. We're about 7 minutes away from news. Walking's good. It's healthy. Nice pop. Just make sure you don't lose touch. Totally. You know, we care about you whether you trade or not.
Order filled.
Trying to know if I short. Looks like in exactly the wrong spot. Uh-oh. Yeah, that could be traumatizing.
Stop filled.
Whoopsie. Okay. Wow. Nice pop. Yeah, that was a bad read on my part. Should have never been in that trade.
Extra read all about it. News in a few minutes.
Did anybody else have trouble getting into the stream this morning? Someone on Discord is saying they can't get in. Oh, well, maybe. You said there's only one viewer here. Okay. Oh, boy. Oh, it says 14 watching now. Okay, that's better. Yeah, the SK from India is getting an error. Y'all need to gore the like button. Oh, there's 15, 16 people here now and only 6 gores. News coming up in just a minute, less than a minute. Oh, there you are, SK. welcome back. Or welcome in. Just saw you there. Glad it fixed. Yeah, I looked at the stream for a second. It said there was only one person here. So there was some sort of weird blip in there. All right, here's news. Pretty much our only news of the day. We popped up to 483. It comes right back down. Jobless claims 226K. Forecast is 225K. Right on the nose. Thought about taking a short there, and I didn't. It's trying to rise back up. Oh. So no real news pop there. Hey Tris, how you doing? Good morning, JJR. Excellent, JJR. That's really weird, SK. Yeah, I think so too. You might want to try a reboot. I've gotten that playback error stuff in the past, and when I rebooted my machine, uh, it went away. It's like NQ wants 500.
Order filled.
Stalled here. There it goes.
Order filled.
Like that. Or not reading today really well, but it hasn't been horrible. But I gotta read it. I'm not reading as well as I was reading yesterday.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Took it off there for. Well, I ended up losing 50 cents. But I'm glad I did because I would have lost a lot more and that popped back up. And right back down.
Order submitted.
I'm sure I short. Maybe ill advised. Yeah, it looks like it was ill advised. Damn it. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Being too jumpy today. Yesterday I was very patient. I gotta get that patience back.
Order filled.
That was a completely break-even trade. It's still down 50 cents. Everyone got very quiet. Did everybody? Did the stream die on everybody again? It looks like it wants 500 here. It's kind of trickling up. There it is. Got 500. Of course, that is the high of the day. High yesterday was 584. So it comes down now. They hit 500. 504, and you see it whipping back down. Whip my hair. Oh, pops back up. And right back down. Oh, wow. We're getting a little violent here. Obviously, I didn't trust it. Trickles back down to 490. Hey, John. How you doing? All right, back up. Hey, John, are you still on Ozempic? Still working well for you? Ooh, there's a pop. Up to 510. I'm gonna be putting myself either on Terepazide, which I guess is Zepbound or whatever, or Retatrutide. Think it's too small of a dose, John? Red is supposed to be awesome. It's not out yet, but I can get it on the gray market peptides sites. That one's supposed to be amazing. Maybe you should ask about switching to the other one. I just need the food noise to go away. Rising up. Retatrutide actually has a third component for glucagon, which actually revs up your metabolism. So you actually start burning more calories naturally. Well, whatever you want to call it, naturally, without, you know. So I'm interested in that. Look at this go. By mistake? What happened, John? We all need, excuse me, we all need mistakes like that.
Connection lost.
Missed this short down, unfortunately. I should have taken it, but that's okay. Hey, Skeletor, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Oh, wow. Yes. This was a blunder here, missing this short, but there'll be more. Bet you that got your heart racing a little bit, even if it was just an evaluation. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. We're about 25 minutes till the bell. Bells will be ringing. Sad, sad tune. Hey, trades by.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There we go. That worked out. That was a 11.5 point trade. and right back down. So glad I did not go for a huge win there. Thank you, John. Huh, Thursdays? Really? Wonder why. I always hear people complain about Mondays and Fridays is their worst days. It's unusual to hear Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursdays. We are rising back up, so it popped up, back down, then popped back up. Are we going to hang around 500 again this morning? Yes, Ron, I do. When I first started this, my thought was always, just 100 hours a day would be life changing, and I keep just thinking about that, or what would this win do? So yeah, I definitely think once my money situation improved, my trading improved. Yeah, and the regular stock market's closed, Skeletor, and futures is only open until noon. We will not be streaming tomorrow. Hey, USC, welcome back. That makes sense, John. Yeah, Ron. I mean, that's why every couple of months I get someone randomly begging me for an eval because they have no money to get one, and I'm like, this isn't going to probably work for you. You need not to be relying on trading to try and make ends meet in order for trading to work. For most people, obviously, there's a few outliers, but for most people, they're going to need trading. They're going to need income besides trading in order for trading to work for them, in my opinion.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Take the 5 points there. Actually, 4.5. Morning, Jay. I could have stayed in that trading, got much more. Ace, USC's back. Are you on the trail, Ace? Happy trails to you until we meet again. The mental game of trading is hard enough without that extra pressure. Like I say, I mean, I'm sure there's a couple of people that you know maybe can do it, but for the most part, I think most people can't. Under pressure, pushing down on me. Teo, good morning. I feel jealous that everyone's saying hi to USC before they say hi to me. I'm just kidding. Everyone knows I'm not a gory hound. Or a gory ox, for that matter. Definitely not a. No, right, I won't say that. Rise it up.
Order filled.
I'll remember that next time it's payday, Teo. Yeah, I'm streaming from the one wall that the house that's still standing on the house, and it's surprising the electricity's still working. Yeah, I'm fine. They ended up not being much. Really? Hey, CPR. Still rising. Doesn't look the high of yesterday, which was 584. Again, reminder, tomorrow's a holiday. We will not be streaming. Sounds like an invite, Teo. think he'll be quite chafed when he arrives. I'll stop in and say hi then, Teo, because you probably should cut through Illinois. Now I gotta look. New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma. I guess not. Never mind. You wouldn't cut through Illinois. Arkansas, Tennessee. Or Arkansas, the tops of Missouri. I'm sorry, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and then Carolinas. About 10 minutes from the bell. Reminder also today's options expiration day, so we could have some wonkiness. Not true. Well, yeah, it's triple witching. So be careful of the witches. At least Illinois is like all flat. You wouldn't need to deal with any like hills or mountains. Teo. Might have to dodge a tornado every now and then, but oh, I'll answer the door, but Eddie hates guests. Although maybe once he learns you're the one that sent him the pineapple toy, maybe then he would like you. Oh, still pushing up. 546. What do we think at the bell, guys? Red or green? I'm thinking red because it needs to at least come down here a little bit, but I could be wrong. How much you gonna be carrying on this bike, Teo? Oh, wow. Hey, there's that 825, 925 algo we haven't seen in a while. Holy crap. It used to be that some there was always a volume and a candle spike at 5 minutes till the bell, and then it kind of died away. Now, I mean, that was obviously because that spiked right at as soon as that candle opened, and we just hit yesterday's high. Well, we missed it by a tick. Oh, there we go. Just broke yesterday's high. JJR and I and Ace used to always talk about the spike or the drop. It was with 5 minutes till the bell. There's 600. Teo, you could call it the Pineapples Across America tour. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Doing good, doing good. Running a little close to the wire here, but got everything up.
2
You remember
minutes
that
till
huge
the
drop
bell.
yesterday afternoon?
Yes.
I think we were just hallucinating from the long stream and being exhausted. Look at where the price is now. We actually are above
Jeez.
yesterday's high.
Wow. What? Wow. Okay. You know, we like to do that, I guess. Just move and then completely erase it within 24 hours. That's always fun. Oh man, ES is up too. Dang.
Good morning, Mr. G. How are you? Ew, G. That's. I had tornadoes rotating around me yesterday evening, so not personally around me. I'm not that big, but
Tornadoes can be really small sometimes.
true.
Mm. Man, are we gonna rock it? Might.
Well, all-time high 975. We'll keep that in mind. Remember, today is triple witching.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, it looks ugly. G. Yeah, 105 to 110 heat index. Yeah, yeah. Down to 568. Let's see what we do. Not sure where it wants to go here. Big wicks to the downside. Small blue candle there. Now back to red. Back to blue. Yeah, I'm not taking that.
Mhm. It's very indecisive right here.
Purple. Went down to a 20 EMA. Breaks it. 20-point candle.
Order submitted.
It's going to chase me back up, isn't it? Oh, there we go. I have no idea what I should target here. Go for 15. You get like target in place and time, or I would got 15.
Order
Oh, that's
filled.
even better. Got 20. 20 points. 45
Nice.
to 25.
Awesome. That was a good move too.
Thank you. I know she got a sell signal there, but did you doubt it or dismissed it?
So I entered the first one
Oh, okay.
and then it did stop out somewhere and then I missed the second one, which is so unfortunate because this is beautiful.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. That was a 58.1 minute candle there down. We broke 500.
Yeah.
One day I'll get brave enough to hold through a whole candle.
I think that's like when you get to size up a little bit because then you'll have runners that
Yeah.
you can leave because that one micro at the end, like I can let that run because the rest of the trade's done. I've even dropped down to 2 micros lately though on even some of the bigger accounts that I've got. I mean, this one trades 5. This system strategy trades 5 at a time, but on some of my other stuff, I'm like, nah, even 3 micros is kind of a lot right now.
So we hit 619 as a high. We're already down to 450, 440, 440, yeah, 440. So almost a 200-point drop here. Yes, coming down with it. Interesting how it stalled out for those 3 candles and then just flushed.
Want to keep maybe going down further? It went down to VWAP-ish area. Thought maybe it might turn around, but looks like it's still going.
We officially dropped 200 points in 15 minutes. I need the bounce I'm looking for here. So it doesn't bounce too quickly. We have bells. We're outside the shading. Come on, don't go too big on me here. Come on. Hardest part about waiting for the candle to close.
For sure.
Order submitted.
This is going to chase me down. I think we're going to go back to about break even after this stops me out here. Yep. Oh, I'm up by $5. Hey, damn it. Yeah, that was a bad read on my part. I got too jumpy on that. It's too close to the 9. Next one will probably work. 4 is going to come right back. It's going to come back up now, and that'll work. We'll watch.
Order submitted.
Re-entry. Or not. Maybe not. Come on. There we go.
Order filled.
Took it off for 21 points. 55 to 76.
Nice.
Nope, we never lost power, Jake. I should have taken that blue. It looked like it wasn't going to finish above the 9, but it ended up finishing above the 9. Could have got a nice win off of that.
I don't know. It's pretty hesitant right now in this like up, down, up, down.
Oh, yeah, it didn't really go far. It went about 13 points. So, yeah, I could have got caught in between thinking we were going to go like 20 there, and it would have crashed down on me. Oil falling fast, down to 73 on news that Iran says shipping traffic is back to normal at the southern ports. Yeah, Jake, it seemed to lose some oomph. I mean, I did have tornadoes north and south of me, but I don't think they really did any real damage or anything. I haven't looked. Effingham had a tornado that traveled 12 to 15 miles through their county. No injuries, but widespread damage as Charleston declares state of emergency. So it's there were places that got hit. Illinois all of a sudden has become like Tornado Alley. I've read that they feel like Tornado Alley has moved north, which is just wonderful for me. Down, we broke 400 to the downside, trying to pop back up here. Oh wow! Holy Hannah, 62 points back up.
Just a small pop.
Yeah, which is why the MIGHTYOX Ventures compound will have a tower for weather observation. I did not take the 53-point candle.
This indicator in particular.
Okay, can you hear me now, guys? Can you hear me now? Okay. So yeah, I'm tethered to the mic, and I accidentally pulled my head further than I meant to, and I knocked the mic off the desk. So there we go. We're back. Well, I mean, there's a wire running to the headset from the mic. I'm sure there's a way that I can make this wireless. I just haven't figured it out yet. Ace, reminder. It's like a Friday. And we're popping back up. It's a 50-point candle. ATR suddenly, we're up to 42 ATR in the 1 minute chart. Only 51 on the 5. Good job, Ace. Good job. Wait, Ace? What? I was like, did Ace just announce a hedge or what? We're back above 500. We had dropped below 400 just 10 minutes ago. Nice trade here, Ace. Nice trade. There's a little purple candle hanging. Back down to 500. Very nice trade, Ace. Oh, wow. That's down 45 points, 46. Wow. All right.
That's so fast. Like the move down was.
Yeah.
Order filled. Target filled.
Took 10 points on the eval.
Nice.
Probably should have had a bigger ATM there, but that's okay. And we're falling back down toward 400. Trying to bounce off 400 again. All right, Jake, good luck with that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not sure why it said it twice. Looks like it was ill advised. No, maybe not. Come on, baby. Oh, wow. All right.
Order filled.
There we go. It's 25 points. $418 to $443. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, USC. Wow. So again, we bounced off 400 back up to almost 500 within 2 minutes.
So quick. I didn't catch it.
Teo, can I share that on the stream? All right, guys, picture coming up here that Teo may. uh, Notice there it says, "What are you, a cosmonaut?" And he's dressed like a cosmonaut, whatever. It's great, Teo. Very great, very great. AQ is probably the final boss CBR. And Melody just took a trade. She remembers that we're here for trading.
I did, yeah. Hope it's still moving up, but might take a pause here for a little pullback.
Yeah, it's the wrong leg, but that's okay. I mean, it would have been hard to see the other leg. Anyway, Teo. Yeah, he's better at this AI stuff than AI picks than I am, honestly.
I'll have to pick your brain, Teo, to see how I can get my AI to be better. I was messing with it like 2 hours yesterday trying to get one video and I couldn't get it.
Not at all, Teo. We enjoy them very much.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Took the loss there. Oh, wow. Yeah, it was a decent loss, but it could have been a lot worse. Wow. Yeah, y'all should check out Mr. G's channel. He just posted the link there. Give him a follow, sub, whatever it's called. And he has a lot of good information there about trading. You're welcome, G. It's at 580. High day, high is 619. I guess I should throw it out there. All-time high is 975. Still trying to push.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right, took 10 points on the eval again. Probably should have taken that one on the regular account. Yeah, I mean, I think for productivity is going to go down to an all-time low when Grand Theft Auto comes out. I think that game's only been delayed for like 4 years.
I haven't played GTA since like Vice City on PlayStation 2.
Yeah.
So I don't keep up with it, but it'll be interesting to see. I mean, I've obviously heard about the delays for years.
Nope, they claim it's coming out in November. I know I've played it like once or twice, but I can't remember when and where. Probably, I mean, it had to be over 10 years ago. I don't own a gaming console.
Oh, you got a PC. I feel like a lot of people use that these days anyway.
Yeah, well, there's some games that I'm upset that don't come out on PC, like MLB The Show. I would play that if it came out on PC, but it's only on consoles.
Yeah, dang. I suppose most of the EA Sports ones probably don't, which is too bad.
I had thought about getting a Nintendo Switch. I'm
Order
afraid I'll
filled.
like waste too much time on it.
That is the risk. When I first got one and Zelda, I spent a lot of sleeping hours playing Nintendo Switch.
Target filled.
So November, I know there won't be any emails or social media going out for MIGHTYOX trading, Teo. Wouldn't it be funny if, like, the week it comes out, trading volume like goes down to like half?
All the retail traders are like, no, I'm gonna play GTA. Of course, you probably got market makers taking the day off. Like, I'm sick today.
Pops right back up. Hey, ETC, how you doing? I could see a company like Lucid doing a sale around the GTA release.
I bet they do.
Well, perhaps Tradeify, because Tradeify actually has a gaming night, so I guess yeah, maybe Tradeify would too. Back above 600, high day 619, getting close. Once again, reminder: you all got to go 3 whole days without me and Melody, as tomorrow is a holiday, and we will not be streaming. The ATC Melody comes in at usually a few minutes before the bell. Then in 2 weeks, we have another 3-day weekend.
We could do like cable TV and just run reruns.
All right, Teo. You just made a new job for yourself. Actually, we are going to start cutting out shorts of some of the stream stuff of like trades taken and stuff like that. Uh, to start posting shorts to get some traction there.
Be awesome. Seems like shorts run the world anymore.
Our attention spans are getting smaller.
Oh yeah.
Order
Yes.
filled. Target filled.
Well, I keep not taking any on the fundeds, but I'm doing okay on the eval. It's up 449 on the day. Yeah, but Jake, it's still monetized, so I still make money. So I got shorts running on the baseball card channel. I do a 2 pack a day habit short each day.
Nice.
Up new high day 629.
Cool. I double order entered this one, so I'm gonna get out if I can. Otherwise, I'm gonna take a double full loss, which is fine. Not ideal.
It's going.
Okay.
Well, okay, there you go.
No, I think it's gonna keep going, but I panicked. So so I got out.
I'll be recording more this weekend, Teo. Sounds like all she did was clean, Ace, so there's not much to tell. Scrubbing stuff does not like lead itself to tails unless you like mix the wrong chemicals and end up unconscious or something.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Target hit 24-6. So that's 18 points on the funded accounts. We're right near $100 up on the fundeds. Like the size of an Amazon warehouse or just one of their trucks? Oh, wait, different Amazon. Okay. Well, we've lost Teo for the rest of the day.
Quite the fall here.
We got up to 6:44. We're down to 5:10 in 5 minutes. So you're not getting bleach in the wrong places there, Ace. That's I mean, I think the clothing there, getting rootings and clothing there is better than bleach landing elsewhere. Still falling, broken 500. Not seeing any news that cause this fall. Bounce back up. I don't trust this yet.
Oh, it's just bouncing between basically 520 and 480-ish.
Order filled. Target filled.
20 more points on that eval. It's now up 879.
Very nice.
I like that setup. You see how it came up with the green candle. I didn't fall for it. I didn't think it was ready there yet. And it came back down, then it came back up with a blue candle. And once I got that second candle, even if that would have just been a green candle, I was willing to take it, but I wasn't so sure, even though I should have been, to take it on the fundeds. So, but either way, it worked.
We headed up.
These dips just get bought right back up real quick. Back to 590. Back to 600. How you guys doing today? Red, green, somewhere in between.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh, our order filled synced up.
Nice. I took 14 points there on the eval. We're up 1159 there now.
Cool. I actually entered, so I'm a little behind you, but hoping it goes down just a little bit more.
Bounced off the 20 EMA. Come back down and break. Ooh, there it goes. seems reluctant to go down now. Pulls back a little bit and then comes back up. And that last time, before this time, was a big pullback, but I mean, it just rebounding right back up. Or maybe. Nope. Oh, 600 again, I think. There's 600 again. And we got momentum. $6.44 was the high from about 20 minutes ago. Ooh, okay. The new high was 657. Y'all got very quiet. YouTube didn't suspend the chat, did it?
Gosh, that'd be wild. I mean, today's not as the price action is not super boring, or it chopped a few times, but still getting some movement, which is better than the last few days about this time.
Okay, glad to see the chat still working. I was hoping that the nude bathroom cleaning wasn't going to get us taken off the air. We'll have to save that for when MIGHTYOX ventures into OnlyFans. And we're coming back down here. It's down to 628. uh, yeah, we're just about back down to 600. MIGHTYOX OnlyFans. That'll be moof for sure. uh, uh,
Uh, I mean, it's kind of a play on hoof. Like you could do feet pics. I don't know.
Show off the artificial foot.
Hey, there's definitely a market, I am sure.
Order filled. Order filled.
uh, no, they do much more than that, Ace. Not that I know from experience.
See, Jay, you can't confuse only farms with farmers only, because farmersonly.com is where you can find love as a farmer, but they're a little different.
I thought it wanted to come down there for a second, but it bounced off the 20 EMA. Still a purple candle. No, it's not. Nope, it's actually a green candle now. Rising right back up. And down we come. Top of the hour, we have 30 minutes left until London close. That's a move down. Oh, thanks, CBR. Thank you, USC. It's been a very good week overall.
Creatify doing predictions now. Looks like they're trying to.
Oh,
They're
really?
opening up a tournament.
Oh,
Yeah, I think they just posted it in their Discord. It's World Cup themed, and you're trading on World Cup outcomes. So, sounds like they're making sure that they have the infrastructure ready to launch a prediction market prop. Ouch. Kind of having a DLL day, and it's like my own DLL. It's not the firm DLL, but kind of having one of those days, and it's a little tough.
I have not CBR. I haven't heard of anybody using it. I wasn't even sure it was
Do they have
open
a
yet. Yeah, Top Step launched their own brokerage, but I wasn't sure if they've launched it yet or if they had a wait list. Yeah, the thought was is that's why they got all risk managey and all they got rid of affiliates boost because they wanted to launch that brokerage. Which is bullcrap because the guy from Legends owns a brokerage and he didn't go all stupid. I got a little choppy here. I mean, we dipped a little bit, came back up a little bit, but
Yeah, still trying to figure out where to go, or having a hard time going higher, really.
yeah, CBR is only being able to use the Top Step X platform. I can't see that brokerage ever being really popular. Uh, so, I mean, well, I guess it decided it wanted to go higher. 668 high of the day. Tradeify apparently is going to be opening their own brokerage as well at some point.
Yeah, how'd they get away? How'd they get away with calling that Ape X?
Uh, yeah,
I just,
yeah. I guess because it's Ape X. I mean, oddly, Ape has become a kind of in trading thanks to the whole Wall Street bets thing. So I'm thinking that, but I could see a lawsuit coming down at some point. Apex tends to
it
be a little lawsuit happy.
exactly. They're not afraid to do it. It just seems a little, I don't know, a little cheeky, obviously on purpose kind of thing.
Yeah. Once I have my ID, I'll probably be opening up a Ninja brokerage account. Although I gotta remember I told you plus 500 reached out about becoming an affiliate of theirs, and I'm supposed to set up a meeting with them, but their affiliate manager is apparently somewhere in Europe. So my choices start for a meeting at 2:30 in the morning, and go to 9 in the morning. So either I get to choose sometime in the middle of the night, or I got to choose sometime when I'm supposed to be streaming.
Yeah, that's odd. Usually they try to accommodate a little bit, but hmm. Plus 500, what platforms can you use at that? Do you know?
That's a good question. Oh,
I mean, I'm guessing Top Step X, but I don't know.
well, now I'm really confused because I did a search on that. Okay, there's futures trading. Apparently, they're also a big CFD thing. Um, Plus 500 is a broker. CBR. They're an official partner of the Chicago Bulls. They're on the London Stock Exchange, CFTC registered. 33 plus million registered customers. Oh, and they have prediction markets now too. They have crypto. Okay, let's wait. Futures on all markets. Okay, let's see. Well, that's a good question. Let's see. Oh, quick move down, 31 points. Free live charts, no platform fees, advanced technology. I got a feeling it's some sort of proprietary platform. That's the other reason I don't think. I mean, if you can't, I'm assuming you can't use Ninja. Most people, that are here with me, want Ninja.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's the thing. Most people have their platform already decided on, kind of thing. It's
yep.
tough. It's so tough to change.
Plus the whole copy trading thing.
Yeah. Yes. Oops. There we go.
Aha. Probably gonna hear something weird for a second until I get this muted.
Welcome back to this new feed, guys. So check what.
Yep, there we go. Yeah, it's their own platform. I just found a YouTube video on it.
Hmm.
And it looks like a pretty robust platform, but yeah, I mean, more platform forms to learn. Eventually, I do want to do a series, speaking of platforms, where uh, do a video series where we rate each of the platforms, all the different platforms. Basically, have people use them for a week, a couple weeks, whatever, and then report back. Give a report back on various thoughts of it and attributes of it. I like to thinking of trying to find like four people, maybe like two veterans and two people that are newer or new to trading, because obviously a veteran's gonna understand how to set up a platform even if they've never used it a little bit better than someone that might be totally new to trading. So I like to do that series sometime where basically I'll be covering people's an evaluation account for people to try the various platforms and report back. So, I mean, I'm talking about doing all of them, except for Sierra charts. I don't think we'll do Sierra charts.
No, you won't. No, I think that's brilliant. Mostly because I mean, when I was starting, it was really hard to figure out which platform to go with and how to set it up and all of that stuff. So, and there's honestly not, I mean, there's obviously content out there for that, but not as much as you would think because I don't know, people think it's boring, I guess, or like if you're one person on a channel, it is hard to try them all yourself kind of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. Ace, I have no hate for Sierra charts at all. It's just I've heard that the learning curve is months, and it's the last one there is, and so obviously we don't want someone to have to spend months trying to figure out a platform. Uh, I know that there's people that absolutely love their Sierra charts. Yeah, I'm talking about like, trying out every different platform for futures trading. I mean, we could do it for we could no. I'm not going to fund people's brokerage accounts. So no, I'm not talking about like for actual like the Robinhood or the Webull, but yeah, for prop firms, so it'd be like MotorWave, Quant Tower, Top Step X, Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, Atas, wealth charts. I think there's like 20 of them, honestly. There's maybe even more. But, we'll probably limit to like the 20 most popular or whatever. But, and then, just continue, and heck, people might even get some funded accounts at it. Now, the part that could be it would suck is if people get funded while, trying out these different platforms, they're kind of stuck on that platform forever. But,
If it worked to pass, though, it could work to trade. It is interesting. Like it's interesting trading on more than one platform, but it can
trade
work.
trade C. That's a newer one. R Trader Pro, which,
Okay.
which was coded back in 1972.
All right, who's gonna do that one? Who is the, should we make the oldest or the youngest person in the group do it?
I can't figure out R Trader Pro. I've looked at it. It takes me forever to figure out how to enter a freaking order. It takes me forever to figure out where the trailing drawdown tells me it's at. It's like, oh wow, where do I fall in
Yeah.
here?
Yeah, I tried to make Art Trader Pro work because it's free and it has a lot of capabilities, they say. Couldn't find any of them myself, but
Well, wealth charts. Now I don't know if they've improved it since, but wealth charts. First came out with just Apex. Actually, I thought it was an Apex product at first, but now I see other places have it. And me and CFT, back when CFT was actually normal, CFT was on my stream. We went to John Skelton and said, we want to show off wealth charts since they were advertising it big. Can we have some accounts? So he gave us, some free accounts, actually 99% off. But so we're on stream trying wealth charts, and it literally took us both 20 to 25 minutes to figure out where it showed us our P&L.
that's wild. Kind of important.
Yeah. He still makes terrible comments occasionally on social media. CBR. Now, that was, let's see, almost a year and a half ago, so maybe they've improved it since then. I don't know. but that was literally an eval for, you know, like less than $1, and it kept renewing at that price, and I canceled it because I didn't want to pass it.
I think Apex gave out free ones to everybody too, like really early, if you wanted. And I did grab one of those, and I also I could not make it work. I think I YOLO'd it. I used it for like one day, and I was like, forget this. And then I just popped full port and failed that eval, which I was okay with, like you said, because I don't know how I would have traded a funded on it. But it's always interesting to me when those come up because obviously wealth charts is a thing and people are still using it. But a lot of people complain about NinjaTrader too, and I understand those complaints. So everyone's just got their things, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, every platform seems to have issues. Now, the one I've been hearing glowing reports about is a TAS, ATAS. I don't know. I've never used it. I don't know how good it is, but I'm hearing good reports about it. Ace, the thing is, I think what you just said there, not about the uncle, but the other part there, is the problem. Yeah, I still hate that. The night he went off the deep end, he went to some place called Ox's Pub. Not affiliated with MIGHTYOX Ventures or any subsidiaries of MIGHTYOX Trading. See you, Jay. Have a great day. Well, I mean, without directly hitting back after his last comments on Twitter, I hit back without naming names. So I'm finally kind of saying enough is enough.
Well, are we gonna get a little pump into the London close? Maybe, maybe not.
I admit when we ended the stream yesterday, I never thought we'll be here when we ended the stream today.
No, I thought we might be under 30,000 today for like most of the day too.
I mean, every time we've had big red days, I keep thinking, well, this is it. This is going to be the start of our downtrend. This is going to be where NQ and the indices finally go for a significant pullback for days. And every time I'm wrong. Ace, can you please go give them a cease and desist order? In case you're wondering what parade Hassan is talking about, Hassan is in New York City and he's there for the Knicks championship parade.
Looks like London close is doing the opposite of what I said, which is cool. It works because I wasn't in a trade. So
And there it is. London is closed.
We did it.
Yes,
We
we
made
did.
it through the FOMC week.
Yes, we did.
Hopefully everybody survived. I did survive. I didn't thrive, but that is trading. So I'll go into the weekend, do some testing, and we'll come back fresh. But hope all you guys have a great weekend.
Absolutely. Rest, relax, recreate. Don't stare at charts too much, like me. And we'll be back on Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for some more great trading action. Yourselves a great weekend. Bye.